it because it's almost impossible, if not entirely impossible, to make y the subject of this equation or this formula. All right, so let's see how we can differentiate these when y is not separated or not made the subject of the formula for us. What will happen is that, remember, in implicit differentiation, each time you differentiate y, attach dy dx to the answer. All right, so let's go. If you differentiate here, power goes down. So 4 will go down. So we have 4 and then y raised to power. So after 4 has gone down, remove 1, you have power 3 now. But because you just differentiated y, attach dy dx to it. Move on. Now, when you come to this place, you realize that here is they are trying to multiply. Is multiplication that brought y raised to power 3 and x raised to power 4 together. So it means that since you discover that multiplication brought them together, apply product rule of differentiation in this place. And product rule means keep one of them constant, differentiate the other one, and vice versa. All right, so let's keep the first one constant. The first one is y raised to power 3. Keep it constant and differentiate this one. You have, if you differentiate this place, sorry, keep it constant and differentiate x raised to power 4. That will give you 4x raised to power 3. After 4 has gone down, look at the 4 here, then you now subtract 1 from the 4. 3. Alright. Now, after you have done that, plus this time around, keep x raised to power 4 constant and differentiate y raised to power 3. So if you differentiate y raised to power 3, it means y raised to power 3, 3 will go down, then y raised to power 3 minus 2 will not give you, 3 minus 1 will not give you 2. Alright. So, minus, move on, differentiate this place. So power goes down to multiply by the 3 that be here. Power will go down to multiply by 3. You have minus 6 and then subtract 1. You have just 6x or 6 raised to power 1. Then go to the other side, differentiate 5, you get 0. If you differentiate 5 is 0, not because it's 5, but it's because the number standing here is a constant. It is free from variables. It's free from x, free from y. So it's just ordinary number. So anytime you differentiate an ordinary number, just be rest assured that you are going to get 0. All right. Arrange your work now. You are going to have 4y to power 3 dy dx. Multiply this one together, you're going to get 4x to the power of 3, y to the power 3. If you multiply this place together, we are going to get plus 3x to the power 4, y to the power 2, minus 6x equals 0. Now, if you check very, very carefully, if you check very carefully, you are going to have, oh, we omitted something. We omitted something over here. We omitted something over here. When we differentiated, we kept x to the power 4 constant and differentiated this one. So there should be a dy over dx here. So when you come here, you add it also here. Add it also here, around here. So there should be dy dx attached to this place too. Dy dx attached here, minus 6x equals 0. Now, bring all the terms that have dy dx close to each other. So, push this one close by. You're going to have 4, you have 4y to the power 3 dy dx. So, carry this one and shift it close by. You're going to have plus 3x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2, then dy dx. So this one that does not have dy dx, separate them and take them to the other side. So move this one first. This one that has the minus, move it over, you're going to get 6x. Alright, after that, move this one over to the other side, you're going to get minus 4x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. I hope you are following. Alright, so now, at this point, you discover that at the left-hand side here, dy dx is here, this expression has dy dx, there's dy dx here, dy dx here. So what will happen is that factorize dy dx. Is that okay? Alright, so if you do that, you're going to have 4y to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 4 y squared, all in bracket, dy dx is equal to, over here you have 6x minus 4x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3. I hope you are following. All right, so now we are almost done with the work. But what is just left now is to try and remove this one from here. And you don't remove it by cancelling it like that. You divide. So divide both sides by this now, so that you can make the y dx the subject as requested. All right, so divide both sides by the whole of it. So we have 4y to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2. So we are dividing by this. So if we do that together, we're going to have 4y to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 4, y squared, all in bracket, dy dx. Remember, we say divide. So we have this under it. Plus 3x to the power of 4, y squared. So do that to the right hand side. You have 6x minus 4x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, all over 4y to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2. So, but at the left hand side, see what will happen. This will cancel the whole of this one for you. And then we're almost done. Thank you for following. We're almost done. And then you can now boldly say, therefore, that dy dx as requested is now equal to 6x minus 4x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, all over 4y to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2. So you can leave the answer like this, or if you want to still simplify it, 6 and 4, they have 2 in common. You can now factorize 2. What I mean is this. You can say there is 2 inside 6 and 2 inside 4 actually. So 2 into, in fact there is x also. If you check carefully, there is x inside x cubed. So you have something like 3x, 2x rather, into 3 and then minus 2x squared this time, y cubed. All over. If you check carefully here, I think there's something common too. Y raised to the power 2 is common. So y raised to the power of 2 into 4, 1 y will still be present inside, plus 3, yes, 3 raised to the power, 3x raised to the power of 4. So this is the simplified answer to the question. All right, so now I want to give you something to keep you engaged so that you'll be, let's assure that you follow the lesson to the end. So this is for you. So ensure you try it and then put the answer in the comment section and then